Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is our new family adventure. We are starting from seed, actually, so we can start our garden. So as you can see right there, I have a little baby. I'm so excited. We've been doing this every year for the past, I don't know, couple of years, but this year I wanted to be more proactive on it, so I've been watching like a lot of videos, and sometimes all my stuff doesn't last that long, and usually I buy the plants. So the fact that I'm starting from seed is actually pretty cool. So I have like pumpkin, I have corn, I have eggplant, cucumbers, watermelon, potatoes, I think. No, the potatoes are upstairs, sorry. The regular peppers, I have large tomatoes, not potatoes. I have small tomatoes. I have sunflower seeds. I think I said corn and cucumber, which is mainly what we eat. Well, not me, but the family. I'll eat the fruit, maybe the sunflower seeds. And if I do myself some bacalao with tomatoes, that's about the only time I'll eat the tomatoes. But I went and we went and purchased all of the stuff that we needed. So we have the cow manure, we have the bone meal, we have the blood meal, we have what else do we have? We have the clear mulch, and we have the planting soil, which is somewhere in the bottom. Then this year we are gonna try differently, because we did have a bed skirt outside where we were planting. I'll show you that in a minute. But we're trying it differently. We're actually gonna put it in buckets. So let me go show you my potatoes and my bed skirt outside, and we'll see you guys later. So upstairs we have a sweet potato starting to grow, and we have the garlic and 2 types of potatoes hidden in the dark, in the warmth. So, oh, and these are my mommy beans, and I'm hoping that they'll start growing soon. So that should be pretty awesome. So here is our backyard. And we do have some, let me see, can I zoom in? We have 3 fruit trees. I think it's apple, pear, and plum, I think. Those are my hubbies. And our planter was there, if you can see, where all the dead grass is at. So since we're doing the containers, we have to check out the sun. Obviously today is not sunny. And we're debating on whether to keep it up here, but not towards the end, or over here. So we shall see.